So here we are in Nakuru National Park. We just saw 3 lions over here. It's just a little bit far to see them with the camera. Rachel, what did you think of those lions?
They were good. I liked them.
You like them?
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Emily told me to sit down.
Did you like them?
Yes.
Were they males or females?
Males.
Very good.
It's a quiz.
Very good. Emily, what did you think of the lions?
They looked fuzzy and cute.
Fuzzy and cute.
They would eat you.
They were. Where were they?
They were right outside my window.
Very good. And so what are you getting ready to do now?
Drive through the mud and not get stuck by
Through the mud. Well, I don't know if I want you to get stuck here. Because that looks like a pretty bad mud hole and the lions are right behind us. What do you think? Let's give it a try. I think you're a good driver. You're from Wisconsin. You've driven through mud. Have you ever driven through mud with lions behind you?
No, I'm not.
You gonna get a running start?
A little bit.
Don't pop me out of the top of this Jeep.
Try not to.
Okay.
Alright, I'm just worried about myself and you.
Okay, I'm hanging on. Here we go. Through the mud. Whoa, Nelly. Okay. One corner here. We're not stopping. Don't stop. Keep going. Run one corner. That's a rock there. Whoa. Okay. We made it. Woo! Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thank you. I think you passed your next exam for driving in Africa.
Thank you.